stage, I thought there's just very little opportunity for me to work with a master and master trainers.
Once I found out it was on, I just, moved heaven and earth to get here.
You just gain so much energy and so much input from the people who come, regardless of who they are.
I came down very nervous, not expecting anything really, except to make a few mistakes.
Each instructor brings something of themselves to the group, as do the participants.
I love the energy in the room, and basically I can learn so much more. It's nice to practice with like-minded people rather than just in a room on your own with a screen.
Dr. Lam is brilliant. He talks gently and explains things well.
This is all about mind-body synergy and coping with a much more difficult world.
The fist for courage, come through the door, and have a crack at it. It is quite daunting walking into a group situation, but it's definitely the group dynamics. You meet some lovely people and you make lots of friends.
Don't think, come.